Kajing hikai bancim kelas yaki kena skul lengba ki online. Kalau wanra yaki jing yaki kimegi pa bagi nong penya skul namar kene ke kram. Kumta bon yaki skul ki wat yaki lat kelenti. Kumno banla ban pentelun yaki slem ai jing start. Penman ke kubor ke bas ngau melong halo kene ke online class ke day pat yaki tu ki kena ki badon ki jing tuna ha ki board met ke jongki. T7 ulayo ban pleo jungmut bat ki nong penyat ka Joyti Road School for Blind Bethany Society kebadan halam kra kebadan ban pensko baki yagi jinge ka baki shem ban ai jing hikai leng baki online class la pensko ka kong chana solia ko we ne kino hikai jong te school habyo ban yakran yagi jing sngo jong ki kum kino hikai ki ba hikai ki ki khana ke thu ba shibun ki jingja ki ba yakendo ba chem jinge bat ki khana ban pensko thu yaki ko we ki jingja yu we khuna baduna ki khmat udang la ban tho bat puli da ka bril Rai sukil pasuki ula shakta haki khamat namar bag jingpunun kam jongki mobile shipor laha ban sange no ban lek ban sumar namar ka jingta ya ka bormet na kaleng ki bor jong school bat kino hikai kilawati kilat kilinti kumno ban pensok ban hikai ban pensong thu kumta la shu record no hako audio ya ki jingtho ka ba lala ban yarap chibun Shushu ke konsolia kalai tu pak jinjar ban chim kelas ko online namar bun ne preng ki kena ki jinjar ban yo sngo bat ki chim jing e ha ka bor ban yo I dei tang bat ki kimi ki pa ka bala ban plong ya ki jing hi kai ki jongki namar ki sngo thu ya ka bor jongki khun ko wei pat ki jing e na kam ta ki online class na pat ki kena ka dei pa ki duna ha ka jing yo jing ko jongki kimi ki pa ha ba ban rap ya ki jing sngo jongki kena ya ka jing duk lajong pak jing sang ban yo puli kala wanra ye jing snow babi yaki khamtam ye jing trai chitom ki kimi gi pa kumta kala wanra yaki ban leit ban bala nong sngi tang ban yo ban the ye ki smartphone uniu khna udei na ka long yeng ka buduna ga jing yo kumta u ha ban leit bala no da ga jing trai ba shi spa sngi ki don pat ki kimi gi pa jung ki khna school ki leit trai pro shi sngi ki poyeng andalamet par gi ha pat pan khra kot anda haba layo thia ki khol
ke online class bangi pen nangni na school bangi conduct ni le mainly tang da ka WhatsApp ban ni la pendar kam sakawe ke app pat ba kani ke app ki bon ba pendar kam tang ni school jangi hi kani di kani pon ba kino hi kai ki pha e ki khna ki hapan download ya kani ke app hadian beki download ya ke app hadina tu kino hikai ki pha kam ki pha ki test ki through jong kane te kadan sa kane khowai pat ka app ka bari ka avas kane kadin mata khamtam number ta ki khna ba de badan ba de autistic te kane ki kimi ki pa ki la baniram kane ngidang shias dang biang ban hakane dang shen te ngata ngimpala ban in I comment kalong effective hadu kanu tambaya kani pot di kikna ru sunat ban le namar ba haba ki le ya ka test ru ki yo ka result hang to hi hachu kani ke initiative ndai kadi bingi shim hi na school nila asdang hi na do u April first week hi jong April ni asdang hapor ka bas dang te ngi bon ngim kidon ki khna bon ne ki khna ki bom dan WhatsApp te ka phone ko bom biang tingele ban phone suki pan ngi sashnari ki group haman la ki class pan ngele ban pha ki kam jo ki nata tenalo na khata ki don pan hadu kini ki singir ki dang don ki khna ki ba sa shiki chaka bala kandang palat bom dan internet kino hi kai kishu type ya ka message kishu type ya ka notes hapo ka message pha khandiat chikitu ki khna ti kita ki khna ro haba ki shong hayer kimyo ya ka network ti ki hadu bandale chapo bri ne sha ki link ha jong ki ong ba yo network hakanu ko chaka ki yo network hangta ki sayu ya ta ka message pa na school kani ngele akat bala bangin chu phone ki khna ro la dangi yo lan te nalor bangi chu phone ki don ki khna ki ba de kata kan ngila chu pha da ka message te haba ki le ya hanono chakala da ki la yo ya kani ka network hangta ki ale ban respond ni kino hikai ki shupa message ne ki don ki khna ki ba phone hi sindan nganget ke ai ke ba kile ki we ki school ngi kala pher la khajong ba hi kino hikai man katayo ki haban phone ki class teachers man katayo ki phone ki khna ki kreni ki kimi ki pa ti ngele akat bala ban kentu ki kimi ki pa bakin rap ki khon bakin pe ki khon bakin le ki kam jong ki dalon na kata halor kani ka WhatsApp ti kidan ki khna ki bam hapodang sedang ki respond be da hadin ki khem respond sho ti wala kata ngim mai ngim oi no bangi ong ki la bandon la ka jong baching e halaye ti hende kidan par ki khna ki bam dan WhatsApp kino hikai ni dictate notes dah ka bashu phone ya ki ba ni keren ni batai berokhat ki notes ne ki kam jong ki hang to te kane kakta shibun ya yangi ru kakta ya ki ru kakta namar ba hap khamta mi ki khna ki bam iman ki shim ki hap tho da ka brain te nalon na kata hapor bangi ay ki tu ki notes jong ki ru ki hapan sngap bha kin hapan tho ha jo kapor te pisu tho ka bampor bhaya ki tiengi kino hikai ru bat ka we ngimla banle don kipat ki ngimla banle manski namar ba ki kimi ki pa jung ki kire spoling kha kire shakper te de hadon da da nyo buji min miet bingida yo ban aya ki ngira la ban shim class kum ban ong ban shim class ki te kina.
I am Kamun Aruna, the Executive Director of Bethany Society. Yes, from the time of when the lockdown started on the 16th of March for schools, we have a serious problem on. We didn't know how long it would last, but now it has lasted 4 months. So after a couple of weeks, we have tried to reach out to as many students as possible, but you will notice that one of the challenges that we would face is that ours is an inclusive school. So you have children with and without disabilities studying together. So in the school we could have children who have intellectual disability, we have children who are deaf, we have we have children who are blind. The other problem we have is that we have most of our children, although we have nearly 250, 260 students, more than 100 of them are staying in the hostel. So we send them home, and many of them are in remote villages. So reaching out to them online is almost totally impossible. We couldn't reach out to them. Further, even if we are able to reach out to them, there is no network connectivity. Parents are so poor, they are either working in the fields or they take their phone with them, they don't have Android phones. So the only way we could reach out to them is via phone or through some field worker meeting them. But we are very worried that no learning has taken place for these children that are from the hostel and that are from the remote villages. Even in Shillong, network is a real problem, and most of our children come from below the poverty line. And so in most cases, the parents are spending a lot of their energy in trying to feed the children. Many of them are going hungry, especially in the villages, etc. I know the government has offered many programs and so on, but very often what happens is, through the Chief Minister's social assistance scheme, they get 500 rupees per month. So when they go to another department, they will say, oh, but you're getting the CM's social assistance scheme. They don't get any other scheme. They are getting a little bit of ration, etc. and all that. But in many places, because they have, because they are so poor, because there is a disabled person in the family, their major focus is on keeping hunger away. It's not so much for learning. When it comes to online, it is again a bigger challenge, because how do you plan, although it's possible, we have planned, how do you plan an online class for a person who's blind? How do you plan an online class for a person who is deaf? So as part of the online classes, we need to have sign language, or we need to have audio, or for some we need to have visuals. So audio visual and the use of different media is a big challenge, and our teachers are not trained to develop this. So first of all, you need to have teachers trained. Secondly, you need to have equipment, although we have done quite a bit of work, but that to us is a major challenge. Hunger is there, and how do you reach out online to families that are very poor and cannot afford? So that is, but as far as possible, we are trying to reach out to them. And the other mistake that sometimes we make, and I think other institutions are making, is that they want to transfer the school into the home. We have to remember that the home can never be the school, and parents can never be like trained teachers. They can at the most supervise. They can check whether the children are doing their homework, but they cannot be your teachers, because teachers have been trained, they have got experience. So that is another big mistake in online teaching. We cannot transfer school to the home. There has to be a total different strategy, where teachers have to be taught how to design lessons, and parents have to be got in touch with on how to do supervision.
Classroom teaching kalong kaba shisha ti kaba kongsan kaba ngile nakaliam ka jongi kalong ni hapan aiman sim gi kimi gi pa batai ki kaba ki de ban le na ban ta ki khun ti na ma ibe khana ki pher pak la ba ti ta kadang ni don kam ngin grand mi ki ngin pen so thu ki shubu ta la ila ai ka lesson gi khana kin puleru ki so thu tu khana ka no la pun pule ti kaba ngile ning kong do ni ong ki kimi pangi hikai kimi pa shwa pe kong pen hapan le kun ta tiền đó là được nông tay cần sai cái hadian pada alai si ni iPod ki ni sa update ni sa phone yang ki kli ki kumlu ile tiền là đây ki don kanu jing ni ki ai ki na hikai ni long ki ba kloi ban yarap ki hakita ki por kan tiền na tharai ka jing tiền na tharai baro hi ni kan do ka jing tiền na tharai ka dei kata hi ka kum hakani ka por mo kalau everything kalau new yang ni baro khoi
Kakabi day but in online class nisham shibon kijing ma ansuya thu ipi kawe ka jingja ya ukhanam jongi utang khna udon kijing dona ki khmat kijong u tangba udang la ban tho on puli le kapre ten re ha kijing le in online class suki kan ga ta ki khmat kijong u ki la stream mo la stream Kakabi day but kanika jingfuli ka jong una na ka mobile but kumta shipor apor haban pen sange no shwa ko haban wan shim dawai but re menta pat ngila ipersang manuat ki kibi kilan kata ada ka basu record yaki notes lani yaki explanation ni persang da kata karukom Tiada kabangile dakata kerukom kalayarap shibon yo but nga persang man phone yo na kapor siya kapor but uong ba dakata shu ngap kumni kala yarap hay kikmat ki jong te nang ta udon sowe khna ro udei khna ba matla hinta te hakabete to khna shimla ban yarap hakan online class kada kolong bakimdon smartphone haye but uwan nakalong yang kabadok kabadjanjar but kung tau habban late ban bala kaya minta support apor na kataka job ka hapkat kung ta kita kicik kibon hagabi de bakina gijongi kidon pat kimi kikwa ki balik tray borok shisni but kikna jongi kiyo ban le ya ka class ka jongki kiwa ki jongki tang dalamit dalawan ki kini te kita kilong kat tu kat ni kicing ki ba ngasem na kaleng jonga hadian mangala ekran ki khna
ngasukwa ban pasai thane hindiat ka sapang ka jing trikam ga jong gino hikai halo jong kani ka pandemic nanta ba hindiat halo ke jing jinja ke jing sitam ka bangisyam ngidi yo ro kini ke success story mo kambang ba kumno ki parents ki kmi ki pa ki la pan syam ya ka kamram kum kino hikai habang yo I teng ni ai ki activities hapo through WhatsApp mo te lengba rengkat bagi activities ki bangi pen I hapo ni send lengba ki videos te ki board ya kito ki activity ki syam ya ka rokom hikai ka bangi la ai haki parents ba kin le kumno ban tackle lani ban peniat ya ki kon kham tam le ki kna ki badon ha ka kani ka behavior problem ma machu amno ka jing thut ha ko ka jing long jong ki te ni ai kini ki counseling baro ban pin thanda lani ban pin calm down ya ki kna hapor ba ki le ya ki activity lani hapor ba ki don ha yang ba ki num don kata ka tantrums lani ka jing thut bakin huri hura lani kin yam kin mare shanistai kumba ki julong mo tingi ai ka tactics lani ka techniques ni share haki parents haki ki pa